All right, it's Rob Allen once again for Stromquist and Controltrends down at the Johnson Controls Business Conference. I'm joined by the Connected Community leader, Heather Ausmus, but actually people don't really call you Heather Ausmus very often. You know that they call her Heather Awesome because that's really what she is. You know, there's a lot of neat stuff. So if you've been on Connected Community, you know that it's a pretty neat thing. But tell us a little bit about Connected Community. Then I really want to talk about that app that we've been using all week. So kind of give us the overview of Connected Community.
So the Connected Community is for our end users and also our partners to connect, collaborate, and share with peers. So it's for product ideation, to collaborate in finding solutions and share best practices. And then it's also to create ideas and vote on other peer ideas around the products.
It's pretty neat. If you guys have something you want to share or like a presentation or whatever, you just put it on the Connected Community. It's good to go.
Yeah.
And ask questions. I know that I set my email up to get alerts. That thing goes off all the time.
It does. It's super busy.
So, yeah,
all through the weekends, all through the night. Yeah.
Yeah. So really neat. So this is sort of neat. So this is part of the app. So
yes.
So what does this do?
So that will allow you to check in and earn 50 points.
Okay.
So as you go to each product booth and each session, it has a PIN code and a QR code where if you go under preseason game, you can scan the code. You hit PIN, QR code, and then it'll give you 50 points and add you to the leaderboard. And then as you're using the app throughout the session, you earn points. And at the end of the session, your total points will let you know whether you earned a single, a double, a triple, home run, or a grand slam.
Grand slam's what I want, baby.
Yeah.
The neat thing about the app is it's got the what's on, so you can kind of hit that, see what's going on currently. And then you can write your own schedule, so you have the mass schedule that you can see.
Correct.
And then check what you want to go, and then that kind of keeps you up to date. And then from there, like a lot of the breakout sessions, you guys are asking for feedback via the survey, all that, which is good because, people often go, well, I don't really want to give a bad remark, or I always want to say good and whatever, but in reality, I've sent out many surveys myself. You really want the candid feedback because nothing's really bad, but if it's not as useful as something else could be that could be in its place or whatever, that's pretty invaluable.
Yeah, we can make those changes for the next event.
Yeah, so it's really neat.
Yeah.
And then was the cost to serve analysis last night from the guy from Texas A&M, Norm. That was pretty neat stuff. So how were the feedback on that?
So far, we've been receiving responses. I haven't had a chance to check out all the responses because I'm helping people log into their app and get set up. And then also approving a ton of pictures. People are taking pictures throughout the sessions and throughout the conference. So we're seeing a lot of them uploaded. I think we have almost 200 photos.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Well, you got a good chuckle when you were on stage yesterday and said there is an approval process for pictures. So I think everybody went, all right, good. So
safe.
Yeah, very cool. All right. Well, thanks so much. I really appreciate it. I know it's always not so much fun to get behind the camera, but you did awesome.
Oh, thank you.
And just like her last name, Heather Awesome, that's really Ausmus. But thanks so much. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for being here.
All right. Thank you.